How do I make a pop-up drink stand more environmentally friendly? The fastest way is to swap disposable plastic for compostable or reusable cups. Cut down on napkins and straws, and set up a simple recycling and compost bin right next to your stand. Think of your drink stand like a mini restaurant that only lives for a few hours, but it still makes trash just like a big one does. Most of that trash comes from cups, lids, straws, and napkins, so if you fix those items first, you fix most of the problem. Compostable cups are made from plants instead of plastic, so they break down in nature instead of sitting in a landfill for hundreds of years. A trick a lot of small stands use is buying cups in bulk directly from a restaurant supply store instead of a regular store, because the prices per cup drop by almost half when you buy in larger case sizes. Another thing barely anyone talks about is ice. Buying block ice instead of bagged ice cuts down on plastic bag waste, and it melts slower, so you use less of it overall. You can also ask your customers if they want a lid or straw instead of automatically giving them one, since a huge chunk of that stuff gets thrown away unused. One common mistake is putting a recycling bin out without labeling it clearly, which causes people to toss trash and recyclables together, so just put a simple sign or picture on the bin telling people exactly what goes inside. Another issue is using biodegradable products but throwing them in a landfill bin anyway, which cancels out the benefit, so make sure you actually have a compost pickup or drop-off option nearby. Lastly, people forget that cleaning supplies matter too, since harsh chemical cleaners can run off into the ground, so switching to a plant-based cleaner is a simple upgrade almost nobody thinks about. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.